Alright, if you're anything like me, you've probably been bombarded by those viral AI Animal Olympics videos lately. And yeah, you're thinking, how on earth are these made? Well, relax. I got you. Let's break it down. Click the link I dropped in the description. It'll take you straight to Deevid AI's text-to-video page. Here's the cool part. We've integrated the brand new internet-breaking VO3 model into the platform. All you need to do is type in the scene you want, and boom, you'll get a high-quality video with audio. Now, let's get creative. Try typing a scene for an animal diving video. Could be a lion, a panda, or hey, even a giraffe with Olympic dreams. No clue where to start? No worries. I've already dropped a ready-to-go prompt in the description. Feel free to copy it, tweak it, remix it however you like. Next up, choose the master version 2.0 model, set your resolution. I highly recommend 1080p, and pick the video length. Quick heads up, if you're using master version 2.0, it only supports landscape 16:9 format. So yeah, this one's perfect for YouTube or widescreen posts. Once that's set, smash the create button, wait a few seconds, and there it is, your very own viral masterpiece, ready to rack up views like nobody's business. Look at it.
You're not seeing things. This is a chicken competing at the Olympics. What a spin! That's poultry power with podium potential.
Seriously, that's 100% AI, and you didn't even break a sweat. If this helped you, do the usual. Like, subscribe, maybe even hit that little bell so you don't miss the next tutorial where we probably make something even weirder with AI.